stone. He rides through your dreams on a coach and horses, and the fence posts in the moonlight look like bones. Well, they stopped trying to hold him with mortar, stone, and chain. He broke out of every prison. Well, the boots mount the staircase, the doors flung back open. He's not there, for he has risen. He's not there, for he has risen. Some say he once killed a man with a guitar string. He's been seen at the table with kings. Well, he once saved a baby from drowning. There are those that say beneath his coat there are wings. But some say they fear him.